2000 Chevy Silverado 3500 454 big block V8. He bought it in Utah and is driving it back home to Georgia and decided to stop by in Nashville, Tennessee to get his exhaust work done. So it's got factory converters right there and right there. Then we did a muffler delete in the center with a Y pipe because it comes in dual in, single out, and stock tailpipe right there. He didn't want a tip, so we said, okay, just muffler delete. There it is. You can see the Utah temp tag right there. So as always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. We have only about 20% of you that are actually subscribed to our channel. Please up that number for us and subscribe. We'd always really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yes. Oh, baby. Yes. Sound decibels. 115 sound decibels. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it out. That's a happy customer.